Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed into the App Store. This is necessary because removal needs account access. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or iTunes to prevent accidental data loss, and make sure you have your password and a trusted device for two-factor authentication. Now go to Settings and tap your name. This is the first actionable step that places you in control of iCloud and App Store settings. You'll continue by going into iCloud settings and toggling off the App Store and any app-specific sync switches so purchases and data stop syncing. Next, head to Settings, right arrow Media and Purchases and choose Sign Out. This severs the App Store connection from that Apple ID on this device. Make sure to confirm each prompt. If an app asks to keep or delete locally stored data, choose according to your backup. These steps remove active iCloud ties to the apps. Finish by restarting your device to ensure the sign out and toggle changes fully apply. When the device boots, open the App Store to verify you're signed out or using the local account. If other services request your password, re-enter selectively, only for services you want active. If something goes wrong, reset network settings and then sign out and back into your Apple ID. This often clears stubborn sync issues. Finally, restore from backup if data was lost unexpectedly, but only after confirming backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.